Konnichiwa. Today we are going to see the next 5 kanjis for JLPT N4. So this is the kanji for cooked rice or cooked meal, meshi. And this is the kanji for fish, sakana. This is the kanji for bird, Tori. This is the kanji for cow, ushi. This is the kanji for taste or flavor, aji. So let's see how to draw all these kanjis. So coming to the first kanji for cooked rice or cooked meal, meshi. First stroke, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So this means meshi or cooked meal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So this is the kanji for meshi and cooked meal. And next, here is the kanji for fish or sakana. First stroke, second stroke, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So this is the kanji for fish, sakana. And next, this is the kanji for bird, Tori. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So this is the kanji for Tori, bird. And next, kanji is for cow, ushi. So this is very easy. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And next, this is the kanji for taste or flavor, which means aji. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is the kanji for aji. So this is the kanji means aji for taste, flavor and to enjoy. So kanji for cooked rice or meal, which is meshi. This is the kanji for fish, sakana. Kanji for bird, Tori. Kanji for cow, ushi. And next, kanji for flavor or taste or to enjoy, aji. So, arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you very much.